Welcome back again to another video. It is another beautiful day to thank God. One Africa, one love, one nation. It is your African boy telling African success stories. And if you like our content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hoima City Stadium, a cornerstone of Uganda's preparation for the 2027 Africa Cup of Nations, is rapidly progressing under the expertise of a Turkish contractor, Suma Construction Company. As of early June 2025, significant adjustments have been made in both seating installation and canopy construction. The assembly of spectator seating has commenced within the main bowl of the stadium. This marks a pivotal milestone, transforming the venue from a construction site into a functional stadium facility. The seating arrangement is designed to accommodate 20,000 spectators, ensuring a comfortable and a modern viewing experience. Additionally, the VIP sections are undergoing painting and finishing touches, preparing them for premium guests and dignitaries. Roofing activities are advancing steadily, with steel trusses being installed to support the canopy structure. These trusses are integral to the stadium's design, providing shelter and enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal. The roofing phase is expected to be completed promptly, contributing to the stadium's readiness for upcoming events. The stadium is situated on a 34.9 acres in Hoima City. It's part of a broader initiative to bolster Uganda's sports infrastructure. In addition to the main stadium, the complex will feature a 2,000-seater indoor arena, training facilities and swimming pool, and outdoor courts for various sports. The project is on track to meet 18-month completion timeline, with expectations to finish ahead of schedule. As the construction progresses, Hoima City Stadium is poised to become a premier venue for national and international sporting events, playing a pivotal role in Uganda's AFCON 2027 aspirations. Beyond its architectural and logistical milestones, the ongoing construction of Hoima City Stadium has had a transformative impact on the local community. The project has created hundreds of direct and indirect employment opportunities for residents, particularly in areas such as construction, logistics, catering, and security. Local businesses has also seen a boost, benefiting from the influx of workers and visitors to the site. In addition, the stadium has sparked a renewed sense of pride and optimism among locals, who view the facility not only as a future sport hub but also a symbol of regional development. Youth in Hoima and surrounding districts are particularly enthusiastic, as the stadium represents new opportunities in sport, recreation, and talent development. Schools and community sports groups are anticipating increased access to the world-class facility, which could inspire a new generation of athletes. Government and local leaders have emphasized that the stadium will serve both competitive and community purposes, hosting local tournaments, cultural events, and public gatherings. As Uganda prepares for AFCON 2027, Hoima Stadium is more than just an infrastructure project. It's a catalyst for economic uplift, regional visibility, and long-term investment in youth and sports development. The anticipation surrounding its completion continues to build, with new milestones reached. If you liked this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell, like and share, and don't forget to comment, and let's meet in another video. God bless you.